Question 100. The repeating unit in natural rubber is A. Alkyne, B. Neoprene, C. N-propene, D. Isoprene. Solution. When natural rubber is distilled, it produces a substance 2-methyl-but-1,3-diene called isoprene. On polymerizing the isoprene unit or monomers, it regains its rubber property. Therefore, the answer is D. Question 101. 25 cm cube of a gas S contains Z molecules at 15 degrees centigrade and 75 mm mercury. How many molecules will 25 cm cube of any gas Y contain at the same temperature and pressure? A. 2Y, B. 2Z, C. Y, D. Z. Solution. According to Avogadro's law, equal volumes of gas contain the same number of molecules at the same temperature and pressure. Thus, if 25 cm cube of S contains Z molecule, 25 cm cube of Y will contain the same number of molecules Z at the same temperature and pressure. Therefore, the answer is D. Question 102. What mass of water is produced when 8.0 gram of hydrogen reacts with SS oxygen? A. 72.0 gram, B. 36.0 gram, C. 16.0 gram, D. 8.0 gram. Taking hydrogen to be equals to 1, oxygen equals to 16. Solution. From the equation, 2 molecules of hydrogen plus 1 molecule of oxygen to give 2 molecules of water H2O. The mass of water produced from 4 grams of hydrogen is 2 times in bracket 2 plus 16, which will give us 36 grams. That is, 4 grams of hydrogen is equivalent to 36 grams of water. 8 grams of hydrogen is equivalent to 36 over 4 times 8 over 1, which will give us 72 grams of water. Therefore, the answer is A. Question 103. How long does it take all the solids to melt? A. 6.0 minutes, B. 3.0 minutes, C. 2.5 minutes, D. 1.0 minutes. The process of melting is a change from solid phase to liquid phase. From the graph, the solid changed to liquid phase after 2.5 minutes. Therefore, answer is C. Question 104. If the gas is cooled, at what temperature will it start to condense? A. 175 degrees centigrade, B. 250 degrees centigrade, C. 125 degrees centigrade, D. 150 degrees centigrade. Solution. A change from vapor phase to liquid is described as condensation. From the graph, the vapor begins to condense at 150 degrees centigrade. Answer is D. Question 105. 4 elements W, X, Y, and Z have atomic numbers 2, 6, 16, and 20 respectively. Which of these elements is A. Metal? A. X, B. Z, C. W, D. Y. Solution. A metal is always an electron donor. Electron is donated or lost from the outermost electron shell if the number of electrons in the outermost shell is less than 4. Therefore, an atom with atomic number, that is number of electrons 20, thus 2 electrons in the outermost shell must be a metal. Therefore, the answer is B. Question 106. In the diagram above, represent the formation of A metallic bond, B a covalent bond, C an electrovalent bond, D a coordinate covalent bond. Solution. In the diagram, the two atoms contributed and shared equally an electron pair. This sharing of electron pair by two atoms is described as covalency or covalent bond. Therefore, the answer is B. Question 107. An element S with relative atomic mass 16.2 contains two isotopes S of atomic number 8, relative atomic number 16 with relative abundance of 90% and S of atomic number 8 and relative atomic mass M with relative abundance of 10%. The value of M is A 14, B 12, C 18, D 16. Solution. The relative atomic mass of the element is equal to 16.2. The relative abundance of the element X with atomic number 8 and relative atomic mass 16 isotope is 90%, and the relative abundance of element of S with atomic mass 8 and relative molecular atomic mass M is equal to 10%. Therefore, mathematically, we have that 90 over 100 for M times 16 over 1 plus 10 for over 100 times M over 1, which give us 16.2. That is 14.4 plus 10M over 100 is equal to 16.2. 10M over 100 is equals to 16.2 minus 14, which is equals to 1.8. That is 10M is equals to 1.8 times 100, which give us 1.8. M is equals to 180 over 10, which is equals to 18. Therefore, answer is C. Question 108. Cancerous growths are cured by exposure to A. X-ray, B. Beta ray, C. Alpha ray, D. Gamma rays. Solution. Certain radiations from radioactive material have curative use. For instance, gamma ray, that is X-ray of high velocity, are used in curing cancer. Therefore, the answer is D. Question 109. Which of the following statement is correct about the average kinetic energy of molecules of A. Gas? A. It increases with increase in pressure. B. It increases with increase in temperature. C. It increases with increase in volume. D. It increases at constant pressure. Solution. One of the postulates of the kinetic theory of gases is that the average kinetic energy of the molecule is a measure of the temperature of gaseous molecules. Answer is B. Question 110. Millikan's contribution to the development of atomic theory is the determination of A. Positive rays, B. Cathode rays, C. Charge to mass ratio, D. Charge on electrons. Solution. J.J. Thomson carried out the experiment to determine the charge to mass ratio of an electron. Millikan from oil drop experiment determined the charge on electrons. Answer is D.